Morning, welcome back to the vlog. Let's make some breakfast. Oakley's down for his morning nap. Also, look at these super cute farm eggs. Oh, I'm just taking full advantage of all the farms that we have near us. These are, should we do the blue one? Like, look, it's still dirty. Never thought I'd say I want a dirty egg. Sage officially starts school tomorrow and I'm not okay. I'm probably gonna cry all day. I am gonna be vlogging as well, but yeah, let's not think about it today because I'm just gonna be so upset. Like happy tears, but also my little girl is like growing way too fast and I don't know how I feel about it. Luckily I have another baby that's keeping me sane, but once Oakley goes to school, I'm done. I'm done. I am still doing the eggs for breakfast. I just feel like it's such a quick mom breakfast. I do 3 eggs, gives me 18 grams of protein. I also have some collagen in my herbal coffee. We already did a walk this morning. Took Sage to daycare and then just took Oakley and Cashew for a little morning stroll. I never like those little white eggy ends. I don't know, I always pick them out. I started doing it when I was pregnant with Oakley and now it's like a new habit. I also feel like a full-on homesteader because yesterday I made bone marrow for the first time, mainly for Oakley, and I made 2 huge jars of bone broth. That stuff on top is just the fat, but you can scrape it off. Anyways, it's good. It's like the Jell-O type of bone broth. So basically my skin's gonna be glowing if you're wondering. It's not Botox, it's bone broth. Also, this might sound gross, but this is whipped bone marrow I made last night. Basically homemade butter. I'm gonna make my eggs with it. I actually found a local farm yesterday that has organic grass-fed beef and I fully took advantage and I bought a bunch of stuff just in my homesteading era. It's fall time. It's time to be at home in the kitchen making delicious food. I'm gonna eat this while Oakley is finishing up his nap, and then I'm gonna do my Trainwell workout, formerly known as Co-Pilot. You guys have heard me talk about it. They're my weekly at-home workouts I do. My trainer, Catherine, plans out my workouts for the week, so I don't even have to think about it, and I can easily get it in even during busy days with the kids. So let's fuel up before we sweat it out. I'm not one of those people that can work out on an empty stomach. I gotta have food. 360! Oakley's up. Yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing him do this like 360 dance. Oakley, do you want to work out with mommy? Aftermath of working out with a crawling baby. But we got it done. All right, I just prepped Oakley's lunch. She's very hungry. I have some rice, orange, sweet potato, and steak. Okay, there you go. He's like, give me that. You had a hard workout. You need your post-workout meal. Is that good? Oakley officially knows how to use a cup on his own. Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Oh, he even put it down. Wow. I'm gonna make myself a little green smoothie. I'm gonna put some celery in it. I don't know, it's like hit or miss sometimes, but I just want it to be, I wanna get my veggies in. I feel like I've not been good about getting my greens in, so I'm gonna just like shove it full. My focus right now with nutrition is still protein and getting more veggies in. and a green smoothie is a great way to do that. I feel like that's a lot to put in here. Whatever. I'm so excited to be working with Trainwell again. I've been using their online fitness program consistently for months now, basically since the beginning of this year, and have noticed such a difference in my overall strength and recovery from postpartum. You get paired with a real personal trainer, and you actually have an onboarding call with them, and you have ongoing communication with them during your time subscribed to the app. My personal trainer's name is Catherine. Shout out to Catherine. And we get to just chit chat. Sometimes I'll send her photos, videos, questions. We can just kind of chit chat even like via text, all within the app, which I love. So you never feel like you're just left alone and you don't know what you're doing. During the onboarding call, you can talk about challenges you're having, your specific fitness goals, and that way the workouts that your trainer is creating for you are specific to your personal needs. I just find being able to do a quick like 20-30 minute workout that is effective. Like my abs and butt are legit sore from my workout on Monday this week. So even doing today, so I was like, oh, like they feel quick, but they're efficient. It's not about intensity all the time, it's consistency. And that's when I notice the differences, is when I'm just consistent and moving every single day. And I feel like right now I'm just in that phase where I can't have a strict workout routine. It's gotta work with my schedule. And some weeks that means getting my movement in, walking my daughter to daycare, or taking the kids outside for like a bike ride, scooter ride to the park, taking Oakley to a mommy and me yoga class, or even just like working out with the kids. Sometimes Sage will do yoga with me and stretch with me on the mat. And that's just a reality. Like I don't always have peace and quiet to work out. And I feel like the more I've just accepted that, the more I'm able to move my body in whatever way that looks like. It looks different than it did before I had kids, and that's okay. I think my biggest issue when it comes to working out is just not feeling accountable. But what's really great is when you have an online trainer working with you, they are keeping you accountable. I get messages, you know, good luck with your workout today, or, you know, what happened last week? Do you want me to move this around? Do you need me to change anything? So I know someone is actually watching and checking to see if I am doing the workouts that are set out for me for the week. I'm gonna get some ice. The app is so easy to use. I love the updates they've done since I started using it. And you can actually see all your stats on there. You can pair it up with a smartwatch if you have one, but you don't need one. You don't even need equipment. Like, it's whatever that works for you. Sometimes I'll add dumbbells, but a lot of times I am just using what I have, which is my body weight. If that wakes up Oakley, I'll cry. I'm gonna do this in the garage. I can't risk it. Going to the garage. Trainwell actually gave me a really awesome promo for you guys. The first 100 people that sign up using my link down below are going to get 14 free days using their app, and then you also will get $25 off your first month. And who knows, maybe you will also get Catherine as your trainer. She's honestly so kind and sweet. I love that she's a mom too, and she gets it. Busy schedule, body that hurts, and just trying to be a healthy mama for my two kids, because I tell you, they have so much energy and I just feel like I can't keep up. Just a little PSA, if you make the smoothie, don't add the celery. I don't really like celery in smoothies. I don't know why I added it. I think I'm gonna stick to adding celery in my soups and stews. It's not for smoothies. It's not my favorite. Now it's just so strong. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready while Oakley is napping, because I have a lot to do to prep for Sage's first day tomorrow. All right, I got my makeup bag. So cute, right? I got it in PR and I'm in love with it. I'll link it down below. It's so stinking cute, and I've just been using it for my makeup. I have to run some errands after we pick up Sage from daycare, so I'm just gonna do a little refresh. I feel like I'm in a stage right now where, you know, I'm not pregnant, I'm not early postpartum, we're not trying for baby number 3 right now. We'll talk about that in another video. You know, it's hard to focus on fitness goals when you are in the baby making and growing and birthing and recovery phase. Finally feel like I'm in a spot, even though I'm breastfeeding still. Honestly, I've been breastfeeding for so long, it feels like a normal part of my life. I had like a 6-month break when I was pregnant, but pretty much been breastfeeding forever. And I have no like intentions on stopping anytime soon. And I don't really feel like it's impacted my body. Like, I know you hold on to weight more and stuff when you're breastfeeding, but as I get older, I feel like one of the biggest things that I'm always focusing on is just improving my flexibility and range of motion, but also reducing pain in my body. Since I was young, I've always had a sensitive neck, and breastfeeding does not help that, and just, you know, picking up kids all the time. So for me, my focus has really been on making sure I'm doing those like rehabilitation workouts and exercises to support my back, my neck, and those body aches that I am having. I feel like as soon as I turned 30, I definitely noticed, I hate to be like, oh, when you get older, things start hurting more, but like when I turned 30, I noticed a difference in my body, and like things that I could get away with before, I now like, oh, I can't sleep on my stomach with my leg up and my neck twisted. Like my neck will ache so bad. I am now a side sleeper or a back sleeper. I have a body pillow between my knees and a special pillow for my neck. And that is, like I said, I've always had neck issues. I just feel like it bothers me more now that I'm into my 30s and I have kids, and I just got to focus on my health right now. I also love that my trainer Catherine has given me special workouts for just like helping my posture and my body aches and stuff. And she actually has, like, in the app, there's an extras tab. You go in there, and if you don't want to do the workout that's scheduled for you, or you just want to focus on something else like postpartum core recovery, I have one for. I have a longer workout, I think that's like 30 minutes. And then I also have one that is in there for like neck and back and shoulders kind of thing. I love strength training, and I feel like everyone can do it. I've been doing it for years. There are so many health benefits. I literally feel stronger. I can do everyday things like picking up my kids without hurting my back. Even for your mental health, I sleep so much better when I work out. It helps me release built up stress and anxiety and energy that I have, and I feel like a calmer person when I move my body. Sometimes at night before I go to bed, I'm like, oh, my back's really achy right now. I feel like I've just like been hunched over all day, and I can just hop on and do one of those, and it makes me feel so much better. If I have time after a workout, I'll even roll my back out. I have these balls for my neck I like to do, even just a foam roller on my legs. A lot of times tightness in the upper body can be from the lower body, which I've realized everything is connected. I had posted a video on Instagram the other day. I showed a little video of what I thought I would look like 9 months postpartum versus what I actually look like 9 months postpartum. And the video wasn't to say, I got a lot of positive feedback on it. It wasn't meant to be like, just be happy with your body even if you don't like it. I think that, you know, we need to take ownership of our health, and I'm just giving myself time and grace and reminding myself that, you know, yeah, I'm still breastfeeding. I am now in my second postpartum experience, which I do feel like, although in some ways I feel stronger, in other ways I feel like my body is still recovering from, you know, 2 pregnancies. You know, there's definitely some clothes where I feel like I would have already been wearing this far along postpartum after I had Sage, but this time around, I'm like, oh, I still look bloated. And I'm like, the other day I was going out for dinner with some friends, and I wanted to wear this really pretty floral dress, and, you know, it fit, but I just looked like still pregnant in it. And I thought, after I eat, I'm gonna legit feel like so uncomfortable in this dress. So I decided against it, and that's okay. Like, I'm still working on rebuilding my strength and just having realistic expectations, which I know I talked about before, so I don't want to repeat myself, but it's just reminding myself as well. I'm getting dressed in the morning, you know, I'm like, oh, why doesn't this fit the way I want it to fit? And like, sometimes you just gotta buy new clothes. Oh, I love this cheek and blush. Do we look more alive? Let me show you the full dress. It's so cute. I love this dress. It's so cozy and comfy, and we're gonna walk to pick up Sage, so this will be a good one. I can just wear flip-flops or running shoes. I feel like it's already starting to feel like fall, so every day I'm like, do I wear a sweater and jeans or a dress? Because summer is still here and I'm soaking it up before it's gone. Although I love fall. September, favorite month. It's my birthday month, Matt's birthday month, and then my kids are like right after us. We're like ding, 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 ding for birthdays. It's gonna be a crazy fall. Oakley's first birthday. I'm gonna have a 1-year-old. No, he's 10 months. He is not 1. My sister keeps asking me, what are you doing for Oakley's first birthday? And I cannot come to terms with him turning 1. Like, I'll be a sobbing mess. I remember with Sage, I was crying when everyone was singing happy birthday. Did not expect it. It's a thing. I've seen them on TikTok. I'm not the only one. Oakley just woke up from his nap. I'm just finishing my lunch. Give you some milk. And then go pick up Sage. Stop. Good job. No, you can't go on the road. Let's go.
Why can't I go on the road?
Let's go, miss.
Why can't I go on the road?
Because there's cars this way. This way. No. Hey. Don't be silly. Okay, this way. This way. I'm gonna get you. This is how I get my cardio. Oh, we're having pizza. Matt made his famous sourdough pizza. We got some dough from the store. These are all Sage's? Yeah. Wow, Sage requested pizza, and since it's the night before her first day of school, Sage wins. That looks so good, Matt. It's the next day. I'm drinking bone broth. I just warmed some up, added a little sea salt because I made it without salt so Oakley could have it too. He's just having his lunch right now. We've just been having a really chill morning. We already walked Sage to school for the first time. I filmed a whole vlog this morning, so that will be coming very soon. Lots of tears, not from Sage, from me. From me. I cried. I wanted to remind you guys to go check out my link down below. The first 100 people are gonna get a free 14-day trial of the Trainwell Fitness App and program, as well as $25 off for your first month. So check that link down below. I'm curious, what does your fitness routine look like? Do you go to a gym? Do you kind of just like go for walks and stuff when you have time? Do you do like at-home workouts, whether through like a fitness program or YouTube videos and stuff? I'm just curious on what you guys are doing, and maybe you don't work out at all. I feel like once you stop working out, it's really hard to get back into it. And so I really try not to take too long of a break. The summer was a little hard, busy with the 2 kids home, 24/7. No, Sage was in daycare, but it was like shorter hours. I'm excited. We're gonna get fit. We're gonna get strong. Yeah, I gotta drink my bone broth. Ah, liquid gold.